Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an affordable summer clothing try-on haul. That is a tongue twister, I have to say it slowly. From the website Noracora, they have so many cute and affordable items, so I wanted to share with you the items that I picked up, and they're not going to break the bank, and they have such a wide variety of styles, clothing, accessories, etc. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see what I picked up, then just keep watching. Okay, so item number one is this dress right here. Now, I thought that this would be cute to throw over a bathing suit, so I'm gonna get close up first so you can see the detail. It's basically just got a nice simple floral print. It has double straps right there. I do have a bra on, but obviously with a bathing suit, you would just see these two straps right here. And the length of it is perfect. It's not too short. And this could also just be a nice little cute dress to throw on with some flip-flops or heels. But I'm gonna use this to wear over my bathing suit. And in the back, as you can see, it has the cross detail right here. It's really comfortable. I think it's really cute. So either as a bathing suit beach cover up or a nice dress to kind of throw on with some flip-flops for the summer. So the next item is this cute kind of tank blouse. I'm obsessed with it. I have it paired with white high-waisted jeans, and I have it tucked in. It's really comfortable. I'll get close up so you can kind of see the detail. I just love the blue and white, and then I love kind of like the knot right on like the shoulder right there. So it's nice because you can get away with just wearing a regular bra. You don't have to wear a strapless, but it's just very comfortable. It's loose, it's flowy, and then if you don't want to tuck it in like all the way, you could kind of have like some of it stick out in the back. It does kind of go, you know, quite a bit low to like my butt, but that's why I have it tucked in. I mean, you don't have to wear high-waisted pants with this, but I just think it looks so cute with the high-waisted pants, as you guys can see. Obsessed with this top. The last three items are dresses. They could be worn dressed up or casually. This one could be worn dressed up casually or even as a beach cover up, or you know, something that goes over your bathing suit. It's just this really cute floral loose dress. First I'll get close up so you can see the detail. I wanted to go with a different color. I usually go for like blacks or pinks, so I thought the red with the white flowers was really nice, and it's a higher kind of scoop neck, and it's just so comfortable, so flowy. I think this would look super cute with like a nice white belt. That's what it looks like right there. It's just so comfortable. So this could be worn as a beach cover up, casually, like some flip-flops, or you could even, you know, pop a belt on it with wedges, and it could be worn dressed up. So this is the last dress that I picked out, but I also have it in another color, which you'll see shortly. I just love blue. I actually do wear quite a bit of blue, especially with the white. I love it in the summertime. So that's what the print looks like. Simple V-neck. It has kind of, you know, fluttery short sleeves. I don't know if you would call this kind of maybe like a short butterfly ruffle sleeve, if you will. And again, it's just so loose, so comfy. I think this would be perfect for even if you have, you know, an office job or for work or something. This would be a cute little dress to wear to work. It's not very short or anything. It's just very comfortable, loose and flowy, even with a nice little belt around the center of it. You could dress this down, dress this up. Like I always say, that's why I love these dresses, because you could wear them for different occasions, different purposes. And then this is the red right here. I really love this for the summer and even the fall. I'll get close up so you can kind of see the detail. We've got the Fluttery ruffle sleeve, basic V-neck, and it's a really nice lightweight material, so that's what makes it nice for the summer. It's not really heavy, it's not cotton, so you're not gonna be sweating. It's very loose and flowy, so you're not gonna be too hot. I just love it. I love the color. Again, the length is perfect. It goes right to my knees, so it's not super long, and you could dress this up with wedges. I think a cute little belt right here would be nice, or you could wear flip-flops or flats or anything like that. So these are all the dresses that I got from Noracora. Okay, guys, so that is it for this quick try-on haul. Let me know in the comments down below where you've been shopping for summer clothes. Are you thinking of trying Noracora out? I'd be curious to find out, but anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.